COVID-19 is still killing more than 1,500 Americans a day. The Centers for Disease Control says the risk of dying is 11 times higher for the unvaccinated. Doctors call these unnecessary deaths.
How quickly we get to a level where cases are low and stay low really depends on what we do collectively, not just the government, but each of us as private citizens.
We need to do more.
President Joe Biden declared war Thursday on over 30% of unvaccinated Americans, ordering millions of federal employees and contractors and healthcare workers to get vaccinated and demanding large private employers mandate shots or require weekly testing.
The president really just made it very simple. This is a pandemic that we can end. The people who are blocking it can no longer be allowed to block it, period.
Already, some Republicans are pushing back, saying the president has overstepped his powers, which will lead to more vaccine resistance.
This is an unprecedented assumption of federal mandate authority that really disrupts and divides the country. This is something that every state has to make decisions on.
Many parts of the country are still locked in battles over mask and vaccine mandates.
Item passes.
Los Angeles schools are now requiring COVID-19 vaccines for students 12 and over, but some experts say expected legal challenges will likely fail since there are already laws mandating other vaccines for school children.
They stand on very firm legal grounds. It will be really difficult to challenge them, even though for a certain age group, some of these vaccines are only under emergency use approval.
The American Academy of Pediatrics says children now represent a quarter of all weekly COVID-19 cases. Vaccine makers are rushing to get emergency approval for vaccines for 5 to 11-year-olds. Some doctors believe those could be available by Halloween.